Hi guys, how are you guys doing? I hope you all are doing very well. Again, a bare skin video because this is another skincare video. I am feeling very citrusy today, maybe because I am talking about a very important component of skincare that I personally have recently discovered and realized that how important it is. I actually dressed up citrusy as well because it's a lot to do with a lot of citrus here. So the component that I am talking about is vitamin C. While we ensure that we include vitamin C in our diet, what we forget to do, and maybe it definitely has been part of my ignorance, that applying vitamin C for your skincare is equally essential and it has so many benefits. I had no clue, guys. So recently a brand called Wow Skin Science, I'm sure you guys have heard of it. They're really known for their natural skincare. Wow Skin Science is an Indian skincare brand. They manufacture locally with their headquarters in Bangalore. So basically it's a local skincare brand, and they've come up with a lot of skincare products, and they have different ranges. So the thing about this brand is that all their products are sulfate free, paraben free, and are free from any chemicals. Now that firstly always sounds great. I'm all for natural skincare, and the range that I'm going to be talking about today is the vitamin C range of Wow Skin Science. I'm talking about these 4 products that I received from Wow Skin Science. After receiving these products is when I realized that I have no skincare product in any form that has vitamin C in it, and that was really bad. As I mentioned in all my skincare videos, I'm particularly careful about my skin, especially because while I have a little dry to combination skin type, I do have a little sensitive skin. So I started doing my research because it's very important to firstly understand what this product is for, what the component vitamin C actually does, and why do you need it for your skin. Is it really essential? We really don't get into so much detail ever when we pick up products. Sometimes we pick up products that are either marketed to us, we pick up products that are highly acclaimed, or we pick up products that we feel are looking good or feeling good on our skin. So that's pretty much a layman experience of how we pick up our products, and that's exactly how I always did it. When I was introduced to the Wow Skin Science vitamin C range, I started doing my research because I really wanted to know what is this product about and why do we need it. So guys, firstly let me tell you guys why vitamin C is important and what is the whole hype about vitamin C. To be honest, something citrusy and something like vitamin C scares me also, because I used to always feel like it will irritate my skin because I have a little bit of sensitive skin. But let me tell you some really good benefits of vitamin C for the skin. Firstly, vitamin C is a very good source of antioxidants for our skin. Now what these do is they basically help us get rid of free radicals which are there on our skin, or any kind of toxins that are there due to the UV rays that come on our skin, which is all the time. Secondly guys, vitamin C is a very good source of hydration. So in case you have a dehydrated skin, it helps the skin retain the moisture in it. So that is again a very important part of skincare. Vitamin C is a very important component to get rid of any kind of hyperpigmentation on your skin, any kind of dark spots, hyperpigmentation. It basically evens out your skin, which is so important. It helps get rid of any kind of scars, any kind of spots. It reduces all the dark spots on your skin. Basically you need to put vitamin C in any form, whether it's through a face wash, through a toner, through a serum, or a moisturizer. It's not necessary that you need to use a full range, but you do need to include vitamin C in your skincare routine. What I also researched on is what kind of skin type is it suitable for, and to my surprise what I saw was that it is actually suitable for almost all skin type. It is required for every skin type to include vitamin C in their skincare regime. It is in very rare cases that you might feel a certain irritation. If you have a hypersensitive skin, you might feel certain irritation on your skin, but on most cases it is highly essential and very beneficial. Vitamin C also reduces any kind of dullness on your skin. It outrightly brightens your skin, and that is another great benefit of vitamin C. It also reduces any kind of redness. Like someone like me, I always get redness on my skin, whether I just scrub it for 2 minutes also and I'll have like redness. All of these are actual tried and tested proven benefits of vitamin C. So when you cross 30 specifically, you really need to start including such elements that help in anti-aging. So guys, that brings me to this video. So guys, I received 4 products from the vitamin C range of Wow Skin Science. These are all chemical free products. All the ingredients of Wow Skin Science products are plant based. Let me start by talking about the first product. This is the Vitamin C Foaming Face Wash, built-in face brush. This is the brush, guys. Oh my god. So guys, this is the brush that is highly talked about this brand. It helps lighten and brighten skin tone, helps fade age spots, reduce fine lines, helps smoothen complexion. So those are the key benefits that this product boasts about, which is amazing. This is a foam based product. When you press this, as you can see, this is the silicone brush. They are so soft, guys. While it looks like how will you use a brush on your skin, but these bristles are so smooth and so soft that the application of this product is a big plus. You don't need to rub it with your hands at all. It's such an easy to use product that I absolutely love it. There is a foam that comes out. Let me just show you guys. Yes, can you see? This is the foam that comes out when you start using this product. This foam, basically all you need to do is apply it in circular motions. Trust me guys, the bristles are so smooth that you won't even come to know while it's deep cleaning your skin, which is something I particularly really need because I have a very porous skin. I have whiteheads, blackheads and all these toxins. I'm sure I'm full of them. My face is now damp and I'm going to start using this. Gently massage the foaming cleanser using the brush in circular stroke. So let me show you guys how I use it, guys. I'll just press it a little more, take out the product and start using it. I love how this feels on the skin, guys. I really feel like it takes out all the impurities and just see how it is. So guys, I've applied all the foam on my skin and now I'll just gently massage it on my skin and just keep doing that in all the areas of my skin. The bristles are so soft that I don't even come to know, but it just is the right amount of cleansing that I need for my skin. So I'll do it on my neck as well. Very important. You can take as much product as you want. I've taken a little bit because the foam is really good. And the smell, guys, it smells of oranges and lemons, of course. Very citrusy. It has a very strong aroma. I don't feel any sensation on my skin. In fact, I just feel like it's thoroughly cleaning my skin. I highly recommend this product specifically for this brush because it is such an easy to use brush. With your hands, how much can you really clean your skin? I realized. I mean, I would continue buying this product only because the application of this product is fabulous. And it takes care of each and every spot, each and every corner of my face, and I know I'm cleansing it very well. It feels like I'm massaging my skin. It gives me the much needed facial massage that I need, that I can now do it on my own. Now that this is done, I think I've done enough of cleansing for now. Let me just wash this off and show you guys how my skin looks. So guys, I've just used the face wash. Can you see the glow on my skin? I love it. Can you see the instant glow? I don't have anything on my skin. Of course, I have some acne coming in, which is always a monthly visitor, which I don't think is because of any product. That is something that I get around this time of the month. But other than that, my skin really suddenly feels so good and it doesn't dry my skin out at all. And I feel very supple. Right now I haven't used any other product. Very citrusy, very fresh, very refreshing. The application of this product is literally 10 on 10 because these bristles are so smooth. They literally, this glow is genuinely because it has deep cleaned my face. It has instantly given brightness to my skin and I really feel great. So I really give a big thumbs up to this face wash and I highly recommend you guys to try it. The next product that I'm going to talk about and use in front of you guys is the Vitamin C Skin Mist Toner. Now again guys, I think the biggest plus point of WOW, besides the fact that it is all natural, chemical free and all of that, is the application of each product. Usually what you do is with toners is you take a makeup pad and you put it on the product and then you spread it on your skin. But this is a skin mist which is so easy to use. It makes your skincare regime very quick and effective, which is a great thing. Infused with lemon essential oils, orange essential oils. That's why the amazing aroma of all these products. witch hazel and aloe vera extract. So these are the 4 main key ingredients of this mist. Again, no mineral oil, no sulfate, no silicones, no parabens. Of course, dermatologically tested. All you need to do is just spray it on your skin. So let me just spray it out, guys. So I'm gonna let this stay. I feel like I've spread my face with orange juice, guys. So it says is with your palm, just dab this product in. So that's what I'm doing. My skin feels really supple, guys. Look at this. It's a toner that doesn't give me any sensation. I think that was my biggest fear when I was starting this vitamin C range. I hope my skin doesn't get irritated. I hope there's no redness on my skin. But the results are right in front of you, guys. So guys, now that the toner has settled in, my skin really feels great. It's not sticky. It's not giving me any kind of sensation. However, my skin really feels supple and of course hydrated. My skin already feels very fresh and supple right now. This is a 200 ml mist bottle. And this is a 100 ml face wash. $3.99 is a very good price. The products are available on the WOW website. I will link it down below. You can buy it from their website, from Amazon, from Nykaa, wherever you want. I'm going to move on to the next product, and I think this, besides the face wash, is actually my favorite product. This is the Vitamin C Face Serum. It has vitamin C, witch hazel and hyaluronic acid, which again is so good for the skin. It's good for hydration and it's good to keep your skin plump and healthy. So I'm going to use this product again, a very easy pump to apply. I'm going to take a little bit of the product. This is the amount of product that I've taken on my hands, and I'm just going to spread this out. So guys, I've spread the serum out. I absolutely love this product for the fact that it is not very sticky. It's a serum that again just gets absorbed in your skin very quickly, which is, I think this range is particularly very good if you have oily skin or a combination skin, because your skin will get the required hydration yet look supple, yet not look greasy at all. So it's a very refreshing range to have. My skin feels really good. You can see it. It's very supple and I really like how my skin is right now. I mean, in the last 10 days, I really feel there are certain spots that I had on my skin that have vanished, and my skin feels much brighter. The brightening effect is so effective of this range that I can't tell you guys. I'm really happy with it. This says it's to help hydrate the skin and brighten the complexion, which is what this product is. This is a 30 ml bottle and it's priced at $6.99. Of course, serums are a little expensive, but they're so worth it, guys. I highly recommend you to include a serum in your skincare. I've just used 3 products and I like them all, guys. Must try. Okay guys, I'm going to move on to the last product, and actually it's always my favorite product because I have dry skin, but in this case I've actually loved the face wash so much. I've loved the serum and the toner is good as well. Moving on to the last product from this range and this regime, this is the Vitamin C Face Cream. It says it has vitamin C and hyaluronic acid again, which again means it's very hydrating and good for anti-aging as well. Hydrating, brightening and anti-aging, exactly what I said. Again guys, wow. I mean, wow makes me go wow, because the application, I'm like surprised at how innovative are these people in terms of coming up with ideas of such cool packaging that A, there's no wastage of product, B, it's super effective and easy to try. I mean, big thumbs up for the application of all these products. There is zero wastage and you take as much as you want and the product doesn't get damaged at all. Look at this. You don't need to dig in your fingers anymore in a cream. What you need to do here is, this is something that you press and the cream comes out of this, which is so cool. So I'm just gonna press it carefully. Can you see? Yeah. So the cream comes out like this, which is just so cool. Sometimes, our fingers are dirty, our hands are sometimes dirty, and we just dig in our fingers, which actually makes the rest of the cream dirty. This is such a cool way of just taking out from your finger and just taking the cream out. So let me take a little more because I'm usually very generous with my creams. So I'm going to take this and spread this out. Look at this. I love playing with this. So let's spread this out. Now this is the last product from this range, and I've put a generous amount. Guys, I like to load myself because my skin type is such that it absorbs any kind of creams and moisturizers very quickly, and I like a little dewy finish to my skin. I've just put on the moisturizer and just look at my skin. In this crazy humid weather, you need a moisturizer to do the job yet not be sticky, and that's exactly how this product is. The serum and the moisturizer do not have that strong citrus aroma that the other two products have, which is actually very good. But they're very subtle, they're amazing, they're very refreshing, and I feel really good. My skin feels really healthy. Every time I've used this range in the last 10 days, guys, I've loved my skin, and that's exactly what you want to feel every time you do skincare. The cream is of course thicker, it's not a gel base, it's a creamy cream, and which makes it very good and nourishing for the skin. Highly recommend. This cream is priced at $5.99. Again, it's a big jar, it's a 50 ml jar. Enough product in it. Absolutely love it. I have literally said love to every product of this range because I've really liked it. If you want to include vitamin C in your skincare routine, guys, try Wow products. I highly recommend them. Please do your research and see which of these you feel you want. I particularly, if I had to choose between these 4 products, I would firstly highly recommend and take this face wash because I absolutely love it. It was so good. The applicator is a big plus on this. I would highly recommend the serum and the cream as well because the combination of the two, the serum and the face cream, makes your skin really supple and really good. I feel really, my skin is so soft and smooth and supple right now. Like, look at my skin, guys. I particularly have been saying this in each and every skincare video of mine, guys, that please invest in skincare. Till you do that, no amount of makeup will look good on you. It will always look cakey, it will always look unnatural. You want to have a natural looking skin. Make it healthy, give it the kind of skin food it needs, give it the kind of components that are important for all the issues that it has. And I really recommend including vitamin C in your skincare routines in any form. I'm not saying pick up the entire range because of course every skin type has its share of issues and problems, and it needs certain different kind of product. But just pick up one vitamin C product and try it out and see the difference in your skin once you use it for a month or 2. Guys, I had been looking for a local skincare brand anyway because most of the skincare that I have been using is either Korean or Clarins or French, but till now I had not been using any proper Indian local skincare brand. So Wow is literally one of the first brands that I have used and really liked. I really hope you all like this video. Please let me know if you have any questions. Please do your own research as well. This was my experience of using the Wow skincare products and I have really liked it. This is the result. You can see my skin, it's brightened, it's smooth, it's very healthy, supple and happy, which is exactly what you need for your skin. That always do a patch test before trying any product. That's something I also do because I'm also very careful about what I use on my skin. So I really hope you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know if you have any other video requests. I'll be happy to do that. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.